Hi, Cheri Sicard, aka Cannabis Cheri here, and I'm here today to teach you how to make cannabis infusions in the Ardent Lift Decarboxylator. Now, if you don't already know about this nifty little gadget, it is the only special gadget that I personally use in my cannabis cooking. Why? Because it takes all the guesswork out of decarboxylation and decarboxylates 100% of the THC-A in your raw cannabis into psychoactive THC. So I love it for that. But what you may not know, even if you own one of these gadgets, is that you can also use it to make small batch infusions. So today I'm going to make some cannabis butter and some cannabis coconut oil right in these two Ardent lifts. And I'm going to show you just how quick and easy it is. This is easy, no muss, no fuss, no odor, so it's a really convenient way. So in here I have about a half a cup of butter, and I have it in this special silicone sleeve. You can buy this on the Ardent website. It's a great little accessory, and to that I'm going to add about 1/8 of an ounce of decarboxylated cannabis. Now, I already decarboxylated this in the Ardent before we began. Now, if you don't have one of these sleeves, doesn't matter. You can still infuse in the Ardent lift using a small glass jar. So here I have about a half a cup of coconut oil, and it's in a small glass jar that I got some yogurt in at my health food store. A glass baby food jar would also work well. So again, I'm going to add about 1/8 of an ounce of cannabis to that. And the amounts of cannabis you'll use to make it right for you will probably be different than mine. I'm making a low dose infusion today, but be sure to take my free dosing class, and the link will be in the comments below, to adjust these ratios for your needs. Okay, to infuse this, all I do is take off the lid and the silicone lid, and I'm going to place that sleeve right inside the metal canister that goes in the Ardent. And then we're going to place the lid back on and this lid back on, but I did not cover the silicone container. So then we just press the button here, and that's it. In about 1 hour and 45 minutes, we'll be ready with the cannabis butter. Same thing here with the coconut oil. I'm not going to cover that jar. I'm just going to place the jar with the cannabis right into the lift, put the lids back on, press the button, and it's as easy as that. In about 1 hour and 45 minutes, I'll be back here to drain and strain. Now, these gadgets are very small. It's a very discreet way of infusing. So you could even do this in your hotel room, in your dorm room, anywhere that you have access to an electrical outlet. So see you back here in a couple of hours, and we will drain and strain these infusions. Okay, it's been a couple of hours, and the lights on the Ardent lifts have turned green, telling me that this cycle is completed. So our infusion is ready to strain. And I want to show you just how easy it is to drain and strain these small batch infusions. All I'm going to do is use this small jar and a very small strainer. And let's check out the butter that infused in the inner sleeve. So I'm going to take out the entire inner part of the Ardent, and inside is that silicone inner sleeve with our cannabis butter and material. So we're just going to strain that right through there. Pretty darn easy. If I want, I can kind of squeeze out some excess. And that is beautiful, not even too dark a green there. Okay, that easy, can of butter. Next, let's see how our coconut oil came out. If you remember, I infused this not in the inner sleeve, but just in an ordinary little jar that I had around the house. So let's take the lid off and take the jar out. And there we have our cannabis infused coconut oil. And same thing, we're just going to drain and strain just like that. It's that easy. And it's pretty much done. That's it. I've got infused butter, infused oil, ready to cook with. Infusing in the Ardent Decarboxylator. Couldn't be easier or neater.
you.